All right, y'all have fun. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Holy moly. Oh, you got Lori down.
Hey, no fighting. Don't lick my lotion off my face.
That one's on your head.
I do.
It has to do with your hair.
Oh, Lord, you like the shampoo from the motel?
Hello.
How do you get out? Back away.
All right, I guess we just walk back.
Just two birds on it. Okay, let me get right over here to my little coffee pot.
With the birds on it?
Yeah,
Oh, Lord help me.
they'll fly off when they come in with new food.
What? What?
Look at her, she's got one on her head.
I'm afraid to move.
You're so pretty.
All right,
pretty
now when I open this door, I need
you are so pretty.
towards the back of the cage for me. Let the birds follow.
Yours will stay with you when the food's gone.
I know, right?
They're gonna die upon you. Yes, yes, you can go in. Yes. Ready? Go, go, go.
I go, she got food. Oh, thank God.
I get a little chance. Go a little bit farther for me, hon. There you go.